Alright. First day of the school. Yeah, pasok na. Yan yung school ko. First day natin ngayon. Yung mga estudyante na sa labas. So, 12 pa lang. 1 o'clock yung pasok natin. Papasok na to o papasok? Alright, good luck. Alright, pasok tayo, pasok. Alright. Classmate natin. Classmate. Alright, school tour.
Bit quieter here.
The gym. Wow.
Picture. It's
Yeah.
three.
Thank you.
One male, one female. The shower in there as well if you need to use the shower. Okay,
That's the gym. Yun, no? Libre tayo dyan.
If you bring an empty
Yeah.
bottle of water, and I suggest you do, since you're buying water, don't waste money buying water, so keep the bottle and just fill it up. So one side's nice and cold, and the one's just normal. Okay? It's all filtered water. It's better 1 o'clock. This could be another time open season. The manager, Catherine, she's not here today, she'll be here tomorrow. That's her office there. Okay? That's her office in there.
Free coffee for the first day of the school. Yeah. Yun, tapos na yung aming klase. Hanggang 4 lang kami. So siyempre meron na kagad tayong classmate na dalawa yun. Si Ate Norit at si Ate Mai. Diba? Alright, so ngayon kami ay sasakay ng bus na pauwi. So kanya-kanya kaming bus number. And yun, good luck sa amin bukas.